Here are two excellent options from the CUCKOO brand, a world leader in the rice cooker industry. These are the CUCKOO Micom Small Rice Cooker 10 menu options and the CUCKOO HP Twin Pressure Rice Cooker 16 menu options. Both are smart rice cookers that allow you to cook different types of rice and other foods at the touch of a button. But what are the differences and advantages of each? I'll explain. The CUCKOO Micom Small is a compact, multifunctional rice cooker that features a capacity of 3 uncooked cups and 6 cooked cups. It has 10 menu options, including white rice, brown rice, burnt rice, quinoa, oatmeal, reheating, and more. In addition, it has a smart fuzzy logic technology that adjusts the temperature and cooking time according to the type of rice and the quantity. Its inner pot is non-stick and easy to clean, and it has an automatic cleaning function that cleans steam from inside the kitchen. Shoppers on Amazon have given it a rating of 4.5 stars out of 5 and highlighted its versatility, ease of use, and the quality of the rice it produces. Some drawbacks they've mentioned are the noise it makes when cooking and the difficulty in reading the tactile buttons. The CUCKOO HP Twin is a high-pressure, induction rice cooker that has a capacity of 6 uncooked cups and 12 cooked cups. It has 16 menu options, including white rice, GABA rice, plant-based rice, stored rice, baby food, high or no pressure options, and a super turbo mode for rice in no time. In addition, it has a stainless steel inner pot with non-stick coating that distributes heat optimally and is scratch resistant. It also has LED touch controls, a 3-language voice guide, and a keep warm feature. Shoppers on Amazon have given it a rating of 4.4 stars out of 5 and praised its speed, efficiency, and ability to keep the rice perfect for hours. Some disadvantages they have pointed out are the high price, heavy weight, and the strength it takes to open the lid. As you can see, both rice cookers have their pros and cons, and the choice will depend on your preferences and needs. If you are looking for a small, economical and multifunctional rice cooker, the CUCKOO Micom Small may be a good option for you. If you want a large, powerful, high-pressure rice cooker, the CUCKOO HP Twin can meet your expectations. Whatever your decision, you can be sure that you will be purchasing a quality product, guarantee and trust from the CUCKOO brand. If you want to know more about these rice cookers, you can visit the links in the description of this video.